Hello again, this is Dr. Zehr, Zehr Chiropractic. We are primarily an upper cervical specific office in terms of how we apply the principles of chiropractic. And what I mean by that is we specialize in the very top bone of the neck called the atlas. And sometimes that confuses people in the sense that they'll come in and they'll say, well, my back hurts down here, doc. Why do you care about what's going on up here? Well, there's two ways of which I can answer that question for you right now. One way right off the bat, I can demonstrate really well with these two x-rays in the sense that this is the same patient. This is a young lady with a very obvious scoliosis before we adjusted her. This was her a month later. You can notice the degree of her scoliosis changing just in 1 month. The thing that really shocks people is the fact that all we did with this patient is adjust her atlas. We did not adjust her pelvis. We did not adjust anything in the middle of her spine. Only her atlas is what was able to allow her body to balance itself in such a way that we were able to see this kind of improvement in her spine. In addition to that, though, if need be, we do use another instrument and another method of analysis called the Activator method, which uses this instrument, which is also very gentle. And if need be, if there's a case that's especially chronic, this young lady, in an example, is only 14 years old. Somebody who comes in and they're 70 years old and they've had their problem for decades, their body might not be able to compensate as well as we would hope, or balance itself as we would hope. And so we then use other methods to try to help in those areas locally, more directly. So we can adjust with this instrument very gently, very specifically the pelvis, the pelvic area, and other structures in the spine as well. So two answers. One, the atlas has an impact on the entire spine, which you're going to hear us say over and over again. And two, if we need to adjust anywhere else here at our office anyway, we also use the Activator method very effectively for adjusting other areas of the spine directly. Remember, in all those cases, we are also having an impact on the nervous system, which is also something that's not well known about chiropractic, that we always want to get that message out. And also remember, at Zehr Chiropractic, your spine does affect your life.